Hey everybody, Jay here and welcome. So I wanted to share with you guys things that I have been collecting over the past couple of months, things that I'm going to be taking to the Salvation Army for a donation today, and you're going to be coming with me. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So this picture that I've had for the past couple of years, I really used to love this picture. I got it from the store at home. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that store, but anyway, it's a very nice store where you can get discounted furnishings and decor and things of this sort. So I picked up this picture. At the time it was only like $6, so I thought it was a bargain. It went with my decor at that time, and then I was like, I think I'm going to be keeping this for a long time. Well, I've been decluttering a lot of things, so this is one thing that it just doesn't go with my decor anymore, so I'm going to be letting that go. Okay, so this next item is sandals. These sandals are beautiful. I just thought that they were a bargain once I got them. I can't even remember how much I paid for them, but I got them on sale for sure. But they're really nice sandal to have. They support my arch, and for the most part, I have had them for a while. But I just decided to give them away because they're not really going with things that I, for the most part, wear. I used to wear a lot of brown at one point, but I just don't really have too many things in my closet that are the color brown. Third item that I'm going to be donating today are these plastic containers. So for the most part, these plastic containers that I'm going to be getting rid of too, they are something that I've had for a while. I even started marking on them. They used to be cereal containers for my family. I would use them for the kids or for my husband, and I just really don't have space and really need them anymore, so someone else could take them and they would be very useful for them. The fourth item is this topiary. So this is something that I had purchased about a couple of years ago. I know everything seems like I got it a couple of years ago, but you know. I bought it as a $5 Goodwill challenge that I participated in around for the spring, and then you said, you know what? I don't think I like that anymore. So I DIY'd it. It was, you know, for the most part all green, but I ended up, you know, putting the flowers that you see in the topiary, and it looked cute for a bit, but I'm just going to get rid of it and let someone else have it so that it can be of use to someone else. This fifth item is a cable, computer cable. So it goes to a old computer that we used to have, and for the most part we just don't have that computer anymore, and I have no need for that cord because all the computers that we do have their own cord. So it's just no need to take up space with extra cords around the house that we're just not using. The ready shades that I have, they used to be of good purpose during the summertime whenever my husband and I would put up the air conditioner. We had to block people from seeing in our bedrooms. So we ended up using some privacy film instead. And since that worked better and it lets the light in like we like, we was like, you know, maybe we don't need to have these ready shades for the most part anymore. And I didn't really like them that much. I would use them because, you know, they were good at that time for the purpose that we needed them for, but I don't like how, or I didn't like how they made the bedroom really dark during the summertime, because I really like light. So that's something else that we're getting rid of. The seventh item is this iron door hanger. So we used to have it on our basement door downstairs, and it would house the iron as well as the ironing board. And we just, for the most part, you know, most of the stuff I will be continuing to say, we really don't need some of these things anymore. Or let's put it this way, some of these things have been in the box for about a month, and if I haven't used them or longer than that, or gone around and just decluttered the door hanger, we just don't need that anymore. Eighth item is the jewelry cleaner, and I saw myself, for the most part, I was not really using it like I thought I would, but I wouldn't. Let's put it that way. Most of the time I would clean my jewelry another way, and I had forgotten that I had it. So once you get to that point where you're not really using it or you're forgetting that you have it, then that means it needs to have another home or someone else needs to take it over. Because for the most part, you really just don't need it anymore. And I didn't need it anymore, so bye-bye jewelry cleaner. So this ninth item here is a dual toilet paper holder that I used to have in my half bath downstairs, and I ended up getting another holder that I like much better. And now this decorative cup, this was so hard for me to let go, because usually during the fall and winter season, for the most part, I would have that little cup out and I would put my little K cups in there and I would sit it right by the Keurig. But I think I'm gonna have to let it go because it's just taking up too much space. And then sometimes the K cups, they would come falling through the sides. So I was like, you know, let's just go on and let it go. I love it. I got it secondhand. I thought it was the most adorable little cup, and I can't think of anything or any other purpose to use it for. So I've just been holding on to it, and I just need to just let it go. This item here is the Michael Kors purse. So this was a purchase maybe about 5-6 years ago. I love this change purse, but the same thing, I really haven't had any need to use that. For the most part, whenever I go out, I like using backpacks because I like my hands free. And so I have a Calvin Klein backpack, and I have this little small black backpack. I haven't used that Michael Kors purse in at least a couple of years, I would say. So I'm gonna first see if my daughter wants it. If she doesn't want it, then I will be donating it, and I might try and sell it, but yeah, most likely I'll probably end up giving it to Salvation Army because it's just easy. This next item is a mirror, and this is the same thing too. With these items, some of them, they were kind of hard to let go of because I have had them for years. This is one of those items. And so I was back and forth. Should I give it away? Shouldn't I give it away? And every time I put on my makeup or I did my hair, I have a freestanding mirror with lights, and then there's a small mirror that goes to that particular mirror. And I would use those things for the most part. And I really wouldn't reach for that mirror. So that told me I don't need to have it. This next purse, I've had this for about 8 years, I would say. This is a Kate Spade purse. I love this. Actually, it's not a purse. I don't know why I said that. It's actually, I love this Kate Spade wallet. It has all these different compartments and what have you. And usually whenever I buy something, I like it to have many pockets. And this wallet is one of them. I got it as a deal. I only paid 1 cent for this particular Kate Spade wallet. I got it from DSW. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that shoe store and purse accessories and things of this sort. I would carry that wallet around everywhere. I think it served its purpose back then. I really don't carry it for the most part right now, so I'm just gonna let it go. This item, it was easy to let go. Why? Because I just purchased some new tiles, and I was like, I don't have a problem with letting go of some old tiles if I got new ones to replace them. So there you go. It's gone, it's gone, it's gone. All right, so my 18th item is this Liz Claiborne purse. This purse, I can't remember how long I've had it. Long enough though, but I love how it had all these different compartments and zippers and everything that was necessary that I like when it comes to having a purse. And sometimes it would be kind of heavy though. One plus that I always love is when my hands are free. Every time I get a purse, it's either cross your body type of purse, or it is a purse where it is a backpack. Because I don't, you know, like I said, I like my hands being free. But this particular Liz Claiborne purse, which I purchased from JCPenney's at the time, it was a bargain. It was on sale. And I had needed a black purse at that time to replace the one that was damaged. And it worked for me then, but it hasn't worked for me in the past couple of years. So I'm going to let it go too and just donate it to Salvation Army. 19th item here is shorts. So my husband, oh, he's doing so well. So my husband has decided to let go of some shorts that he no longer can wear, and this is one pair here. Okay, so this next item here is a pair of shorts that my husband also got rid of too. They are beige, and same thing. He wasn't where he could wear them anymore, and once he went through his shorts and he saw that these were some that he needed to get rid of, he gave them to me, and I was like so proud of him. He's doing so well with decluttering some things. In some cases, I am just happy that he's on board. He was a little reluctant in the beginning, but he is now coming around where he is sometimes just giving me things or tossing things that he no longer needs. All right, people, so now that I've shown you everything, it is time for us to go and donate these things to the Salvation Army. So let's go. What you doing? I said, let's go. Well, everybody, I am so glad you joined me today. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like this video, give me a thumbs up, which means the same thing. Subscribe to my channel if this is the type of content that you like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.